Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Honda Civic Turbo Sport. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 180 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 46 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 22 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 46,000 miles and comes with good service history. This particular colour is the metallic polished metal and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the Sport, you've got the really comfy and supportive sport seats there, and there's an armrest in the centre for both front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. You also have climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then finally on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate on the Civic reveals a really useful boot there, which goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be split and the clever parcel shelf system, which also is included in the tailgate. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.